Hello and welcome everyone. I hope everybody's having a great day. I'm Dr. Brandon Drabek. I'm a naturopathic doctor and I'm dedicated to helping people discover and address the root causes of their health concerns. And today I want to take you on a journey through a world of functional lab testing. What it is, what it can reveal about your health, and how it differs from a more conventional lab testing methods. Now, for many people, going to the doctor and getting a normal lab report doesn't explain or still doesn't explain why they feel run down, anxious, or experience unexplained symptoms. Functional lab testing goes beyond standard lab ranges and instead looks for optimal levels. And we're focusing not just on what's normal, but what's truly optimal so your body can thrive. You might wonder, why do I need additional testing? And aren't the regular labs just enough? Well, conventional lab ranges typically identify outright disease states, which means you might not show an abnormal result until an issue has progressed significantly, until you become clinically ill. And functional lab tests actually help us detect and understand imbalances and deficiencies before they become full-blown problems. Now, by doing this, we can implement personalized strategies, often involving nutrition, lifestyle modifications, and targeted supplementation to help bring you back into balance and to support your overall well-being. There are several core tests that I offer, so let's just start with some of the more common essential tests that I like to analyze from a functional perspective. So that would be at least the comprehensive metabolic panel. This is one test that many physicians, including naturopathic doctors, like to run as a standard basic test. And this gives us insights into your electrolytes, your kidney function, your liver enzymes, and blood sugar regulation. Now, while conventional medicine looks for severe abnormalities, I'm checking for areas where you might be trending high or low, even if you're still within the normal zone. And this can help us catch early warning signs like insulin resistance or mild liver stress. Another common test that I like to order is a complete blood cell count. And here we're looking at your red and white blood cells. Your hemoglobin, your hematocrit, your platelets, etc. This basically is identifying the color, the size, the shape, the texture, the volume of your blood cells. And a functional analysis can actually show subtle clues about nutrient deficiencies like iron, B12, and folate, as well as immune function changes that might not yet qualify for a diagnosable condition in a conventional sense. Another common panel that I like to order is a full thyroid panel, because it is crucial for understanding how your thyroid is functioning overall. And many times a normal TSH, or thyroid stimulating hormone, alone isn't enough to assess a thyroid problem, especially if you have symptoms like fatigue or hair loss or weight changes. And then by analyzing the other two hormones, free T3, free T4, it'll help detect when your thyroid might need support before it actually becomes critically low or high. Now, in addition to those foundational tests, I also offer specialized tests that can shine a light on how well your body is interacting with your genetics and your environment. So I do offer a DNA analysis. So if you ever wonder if you're genetically predisposed to certain nutrient deficiencies or sensitivities, a DNA test can actually reveal genetic variants that affect how your body metabolizes foods and nutrients and even stress hormones. And so knowing your genetic blueprint helps us tailor a precise plan that matches your unique biology. Now, many people suffer from chronic inflammation and discomfort due to sensitivities, which things like gluten, wheat, dairy, and even other specific environmental triggers. Now, I do offer food and environmental sensitivity testing, and this testing goes beyond your classic allergy test, and it looks at your body's IgG and IgA responses. These are two types of immunoglobulins in your blood. Now, these can actually help uncover a delayed or hidden reaction that is contributing to things like fatigue, skin issues, or digestive woes. Hormone panels, that's another one that I like to do, both male and female hormone panels. So hormones like estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, cortisol, DHEA, these all can have a massive influence on your energy, your mood, and your overall vitality. Functional hormone tests, sometimes using saliva or dried urine, but I also prefer blood, capture daily fluctuations, and they help give us a fuller picture of your hormonal health compared to just a single blood draw. Now, gut microbiome testing, because the gut is central to everything from nutrient absorption to immune function. So by looking at the composition of your gut bacteria, we can uncover imbalances or even infections like candida or parasites. These guys might be silently draining your energy and weakening your immune system. Now, I often use the analogy of your health being kind of like a puzzle. Each lab test is a piece that helps me see the entire picture. Now, conventional labs check whether the puzzle is drastically off or obviously broken, but functional labs examine the finer details. We might catch imbalances that aren't yet severe enough to show up as disease, but are already affecting how you feel day to day. So by doing this detective work, we can pinpoint nutrient deficiencies before they manifest as serious conditions. We can identify food sensitivities that might be contributing to inflammation, bloating, or persistent skin issues. We can detect thyroid or even hormonal imbalances to tackle fatigue and mood swings. And then also we can take a preventative action to maintain the best possible health long term. So how does this process look like in my practice? Well, obviously we begin with an initial consultation where we would discuss your health history, your current symptoms, your lifestyle, your goals, do a health risk assessment, all the basic assessments that we would normally do, and have a conversation, learn more about you and your body and your goals. Then we're going to choose the right test. So based on your story, I'm going to recommend specific labs that make sense for you. And then once we get your results, I actually process everything again through a database that provides a functional health report. It's usually a 50-page report. And so this will actually help interpret those results from that functional perspective. It'll help explain how they connect to your overall health picture. And then we'll create a customized plan that may include dietary changes, targeted supplements, stress management strategies, or other lifestyle modifications. And then I do provide ongoing support. So we're going to track your progress. We're going to retest as needed, and we're going to make adjustments that ensure lifestyle modifications, that ensure that you're moving closer to your optimal health goals. So if you're curious to learn more, you think these tests might benefit you, I encourage you to visit my website, brandondrabeknd.com. You can submit an inquiry directly through my site with any questions or concerns you might have. And if you're someone who likes to chat face-to-face, virtually or otherwise, I invite you to join me for Wellness Wednesday on Zoom at 7 p.m. This is an open consultation. It's entirely complimentary. And this is where you can ask me questions, get to know me better, and figure out if naturopathic medicine and functional lab testing are right for you. So think of it kind of like a friendly Q&A session designed to help you take that next step in your health journey with confidence. So thank you so much for tuning in today and taking the time to learn about functional lab testing. Remember, knowledge is empowerment, and when you understand what's happening in your body, you can make an informed decision that will move you toward balanced, vibrant health. So again, I'm Dr. Brandon Drabek, naturopathic doctor. I look forward to supporting you every step of the way. Stay healthy, stay curious, and I hope to see you soon, either on my website or at a future Wellness Wednesday session. Take care. Bye.